area where we can use computer graphics. We can implement computer graphics in any area, like we can implement CG in any area. Any area like games, games industry, entertainment, presentation, education, etc. These are some areas where we can implement computer graphics. First of all, we can implement computer graphics in games industry. As you know that games industry is the top industry which is used computer graphics. In entertainment, we can implement also entertainment in computer graphics. All the entertainment industry use computer graphics. Educations and training industry use computer graphics, so that we can use less cost to implement the drawing charge. Here you see the history of computer graphics. This is the William Fader of Boeing. Boeing is the American multinational company which is the manufacturers of cells, airplanes, rocket crafts, rockets and satellites. And here is an employee of that, like William Fader. In 1960, he used CG first time. So the first name of computer graphics, we can say that earlier we can know the computer graphics as computer generated imaginary or simply CGI. Is the another name of computer graphics. And as we discussed earlier, that computer graphics is the art of drawing lines, pictures, charts, etc. using computer with the help of programming. Programming, as you know, that we can use C, C++, Java to implement computer graphics. Computer graphics made up of number of pixels. That, as we discussed earlier, that computer graphics is made up of number of pixels. That means in raster graphics the screen resolutions is 640 and 480 is, we have discussed earlier that the x coordinate, the length of x coordinate is 640 pixels and the length of y coordinate is 480 pixels, and on these pixels we can implement CG. Pixel is the smallest graphical picture or unit represented on the computer screen, and we can create or we can manipulate any pixels of image and display those images on a screen is the hard copy or plotters. So we can define that the computer graphics we divided into two parts, that's the interactive graphics and the non-interactive graphics. In interactive graphics, we can interact with graphics on computer, but in non-interactive graphics we cannot interact computer graphics. We cannot interact computer graphics. This is the static picture. Thus, we can say that we have used earlier the two types of program: static program and dynamic program. In dynamic program, we can interact with programs at runtime, and in static programming we cannot implement program at runtime. Thus, according to this, in interactive graphics we can interact with computer graphics at runtime. We can change the shape of computer graphics one into another at runtime, but in non-interactive graphics we cannot change the shape or we cannot interact the computer graphics at runtime. And today's we can apply computer graphics almost every area, like we have discussed earlier. We can use it in the game industry, entertainment industry, presentations, educations and training. Some of the common areas are, like we can use computer graphics in computer aided design. Computer aided design is a tool CAD. It is a tool to draw 2D or 3D graphics on computer. We can generate vector graphics using CAD. That means we cannot change the plotted pixels or plotted pixel style at any locations, but we can change the CAD drawing into raster drawing easily, and then after converting the raster graphics, the extension of CAD drawing is .jpg, .png, .bmp, etc. Another area of computer graphics is presentation. In presentation graphics, you used presentations to convey any people. If you want to convey peoples about any technology, you can draw or you can prepare presentations, because you know that thousands words meaning is converted into one graphics. So if you want to deliver lectures using graphics or using presentations, you can convey any persons easily. So presentations graphics used in any industry to convey the peoples. Another, the huge computer graphics is used by computer games and animation industry. You know, computer gaming industry, we can implement in gaming industry 3D animations and 2D animations also, and we can draw 3D graphics in any field. Like in gaming industry, we can draw image and that image may be implemented by using any programming language. If you want to implement 3D graphics and animations in computers, we have to use OpenGL library, and if we want to implement in gaming industry only 2D graphics, 2D image, then we have not the requirement of OpenGL library. We can implement it with only C or C++ or Java language. Another industry is education and training. As you know that education industry is the vast industry where we can implement computer graphics. Using graphics in education. If we want to deliver or lecture. Prepare students for operations or delivering lecture on open operation. We can implement computer graphics so that a person can use or person can see easily how can we draw or how can we draw an operations on computer graphics. And third industry is